What's going on, everyone? I'm in southern Japan today trying to catch Japanese whiting, also known as Kisu in Japanese. The best time to catch Kisu is from summer to fall near sandy areas. Kisu fishing is actually pretty popular in Japan because it's very simple and you don't need much to get started. First, you'll need to pick up some rocket weights and then you'll need some Kisu hooks. The hooks are already set up for you. All you gotta do is attach it to the swivel and put on the bait and you're good to go. Equipment wise, any rod is actually fine. I personally prefer a 15-foot telescopic rod so I can cast further and to lift the bait and fish over obstacles. Line wise, something from 6 to 10 pound line should be fine. To get started, tie the main fishing line to the weight side of the rocket weight. It's the stiff rod part. The loose rod will be tied to the Kisu hook. All you have to do is unwind the hook set and tie it onto the swivel. It's that easy. Bait wise, you can actually catch Kisu with krill, but the preferred baits are sandworms. It's a little bit disgusting and they can actually bite. It's a small pinch, nothing too bad. Take one out, cut it into small pieces and put it on the hook. Make sure it covers the hook and it's good. Kisu can be caught near or far. I like to cast it out far, slowly reel it in, stopping from time to time and get a feel for the bite. Once you feel the bite, set the hook. Looks like it's still early on in the season and they're still quite small here. They can get as big as 2 to 3 times the size of the one I caught here, but still edible. This style fishing, you can actually catch a variety of fish. Here I caught something I wasn't expecting, but it's all good. All games are fair. Well, caught less than I hope. It's all good. Enough for a meal for one. What I'm gonna do is clean it, gut it, and then deep fry it tempura style. Well, that's it, folks. Hope you learned something and enjoyed this video. Hope you stick around for future fishing or travel videos. Take care. Bye-bye.